Hello guys, Chef City here. I hope everybody doing good inshallah. In this video guys, I will share with you my favorite buttercream recipe. Also, I will teach you how to frosting your cake professionally and nicely. Here we go. Okay guys, let's jump right to it and make the recipe for the buttercream first. I will go with you guys step by step to see the correct way how to make the buttercream. One of the secret of the buttercream, try to use your butter in the room temperature. Here we go, my friend. Look at this result for the buttercream, smooth and nice and shiny. You can use it for anything, to frosting your cake, for the filling, for whatever you want. Okay, my friend, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy watching my videos. Also, I hope you find what you're looking for. Please don't forget your love and support, and take care of yourself, guys. See you in next video, inshallah.